Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add admin to your Instagram page, right? So it's very easy. Right guys, so first of all you have to just open your page on your Instagram, right? If you're not able to find your page, then just click on top right. And this is my profile and this is my page, right? So you have to change it. And once you are into your page, just click here. Once you will click here, this is your profile of your page here. Now just go to the setting, right? Once you go into the setting, you will get this option on the left side which is called linked account, right? Just open your linked account and here you will find this option of connect account of Instagram, right? Then again you have to just click on connect, right? Allow access to Instagram messages in inbox, right? Just turn this on, or even though if you don't want, it's fine. Again you have to click on confirm. Now you have to enter your Instagram ID and password, right? Just to connect. By the way, if you have already, then just click on login as a whatever the username you have added on the Instagram, right? So just click on it, and in this way you will able to connect your Instagram and Facebook page together, right? And it just take a few seconds, so you have to just wait for it. Now guys, you can see that I've connected my Instagram here. Now again you have to just come back to the settings of your page. So I will just go to the page. Again I will click on setting. Now you have to click on new page experience, right? So this is new page experience here, right? And by the way, here you have to just click on this. For example, this is community manager in the page access section. So just click on manage. Once you click on manage, basically it will ask you that add community manager. Basically in this way you can just add admin to manage your chats or something like that, whatever reason you just want to add. So make sure you just enter the name or email address of that account, right, of that person. So once you do that, then you will able to add this, right? So this is how you can just add a admin page to your Instagram page, right? I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.